Welcome. My name is Mark Rowitz and I work for Laser LLC. I'm here at the Gilson Engineering Flow Laboratory, here to talk to you today about laser safety valves. I would like to talk to you about the unique selling points, or USPs, for our safety valves. The first USP I'd like to talk to you about is that all of laser safety valves have a single trim design, which means that it doesn't matter what kind of media the valve is seeing, whether it's liquid, vapor, steam, two-phase, nothing physically changes in the valve. So none of the parts change. There's no different trim parts or anything else, regardless of the media. So this is unique in the industry, and Laser is the only one that offers this type of design. The next unique selling point I would like to talk to you about is the fact that Laser uses a longer spring chamber typically than our competition. The reason we do this is so that we can use fewer springs across the pressure range for our design. This allows us to use approximately 10% of the springs that our competition uses for a similar valve size and type, so that we can spend more money in stocking valves and valving rather than having springs to stock on the shelf. The next unique selling point I would like to share with you is the fact that Laser uses a single stem or single spindle design in all of our valves. So the stem runs the entire length of the valve and attaches directly to the valve disc. It is guided by the guide between the body and the bonnet casting, and also at the top inside the adjusting bolt. So since it is a one-piece stem and it's guided far apart, Laser is able to transport and install our valves in other than the vertical upright position. So what that means is when we transport our valves, we can put them on their sides and pack them in a box, or you can install them in the field in other than that vertical position, so at an angle or even horizontal, and because of that single spindle design, they're always going to open and close with the proper alignment. The next unique selling point I would like to talk to you about is the fact that all of Laser's valves have a self-draining body. What that means is it reduces corrosion and makes maintenance a lot easier. When fluid gets into the body area, it all drains out the outlet rather than pooling or corroding or causing problems when maintenance has to be performed on the valves. The last unique selling point I'd like to share with you is the way Laser defines set pressure. Laser defines set pressure as the initial audible discharge through the safety valve for compressible flow. The way that our competition defines set pressure is by the popping point of the valve. The advantage of defining set pressure by initial audible discharge is that we don't run the risk of damaging the valve seats during the set pressure testing. These are just a few of the unique selling points that Laser valves have over our competition, and they all contribute to the overall lower cost of ownership over the life cycle of the valve. If you have any questions or you would like additional information, please feel free to give us a call at area code 704-587-3670 or visit our website www.laser.com, and that's spelled L-E-S-E-R, and on there you can find all kinds of information, product catalogs, instruction manuals, representative information, and a lot of other information at your fingertips. Thank you.